Hello mga marites ni Chongde.
Annyeonghaseyo mga kaanyong! Welcome to my channel, Anong Sayo TV. Today's video, we will talk about Blackpink's Jennie. Only here on
안녕, 제가 update.
Blackpink's Jennie spotted smoking indoor. Fans have noticed Jennie smoking an electronic cigarette in one of her vlogs. She was seen holding a dark-colored device to her lips as she got her hair and makeup done. Later on, she breathes out smoke. As we know, Jennie is already an adult, and it is not illegal for her to be a smoker, but many pointed out that she was smoking indoors. In South Korea and many other countries, smoking indoor is highly prohibited. The law for smoking indoors should not be taken lightly, be an electronic or not. NCT head Chan was previously caught smoking indoors as well and was slammed with a fine. That's it mga kaanyong. What can you say about this? Comment your thoughts below.
And please like and subscribe Anong Sayo TV.